Hello. Earlier I painted this cart. It's my, where's my hand? There. Okay. It's purple. Now I just need to install this, which is almost done. It's the backing so that my tools won't fall down. I just need one more screw, so I'll do it right now. I see. Let me look around the other side. Let's see. Oh, could almost make it. There is a shelf right around here. Ouch, just poked myself there. Okay, there. Okay, I'm right above it. So, there. Well, why am I doing it? I don't want it there. But I found it there. Okay. Alright, now I put it down. Now I get the screw. Screwdriver. Where did I do that thing? Can't see it. Take it down. Here it is. I really wanted it in this corner. Let me see if I can find anything there. Yes, I just go across, draw a line, use my line maker. I don't know the name of it. I think it's called a T-square, but here it is. Max can do it. He's on break. He wanted to go play with the other children today. So I just need to and where did I leave it? Here I have a magnetic little ball. Let's say that I'm building something and I want it to be, it's magnetic. Where's the camera? There. And I want the little ball to be in the center, so if I lift it up, it's not centered. There. More or less. There. That would be the center. I don't know if you can see it. The little ball has to be in the middle. That means that it's level. So I'll put the screw, I don't know if you can see it, and then I'll put this. Okay, yeah, that does help. This is level. This is now it's level. So I'll use the marker, and there must be something around here. That's where I'll put the screw. All right, drill. I can always make extra holes. I don't know if it made it. I shall soon feel if it made it or it did not make it. I'm pre-drilling the holes, and then I'm twisting the screwdriver. Now I gotta hold the cart because I put wheels in the cart, so I gotta hold it so it won't move. There. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Well, I could not feel the screw, so it must have gone into the wood. This is a drill. It makes holes. It has a bit that I'm going to remove. Here it has a chuck. This is a chuck. This tool, I keep it right there on the cord. Then I twist it one way or the other. I don't remember which. Let's see. There. Down. And that opens the mouth or the lips of the drill bit there. Of the drill's mouth. And then here's the drill bit. Tiny baby. So, in order to keep everything nice or neatly, I'll put the chuck back in here so I can find it next time. I have a bag. I'll put the drill in the bag plus the cord. So I won't scratch it up. I'll put it back in the bucket. I'll put the drill bit back inside the drill bit container. These are all, I believe, carpentry or wood drill bits. This is a wood drill bit too, but it makes circles. It cuts holes. I haven't used it yet. And now I close the drill bucket. And my cart is ready. So it's time to put things away. I have the screws. Actually, these screws I'll keep inside here. And the screwdriver goes in here. This is my favorite, so that's why it's like that. The goggles, I put them inside. Handkerchief. Roll it. 2 nuts. And I put it in the shoebox outside. Now you can see the cart is not balanced, but it's not perfect, but it's working. Now these pants are my son's pants. I want him to learn how to put in a button, so that's why I gotta figure out a way to motivate him to do that. Now this cart, I said it was going to be for my tools, but I'm going to move it now. I'm going to put it in the kitchen as a surprise to a friend of mine and see if she likes it. Okay. Let me pause for a moment. Alright. It seems to be recording. So this was the kitchen before. It had all of these items. Now it has that cart, and I organized it, I believe, a little bit better. That's the way I organized it. Water. Okay. This cart is white. I'll put it in my room. And this one, popcorn machine has to be washed. Okay. At least I'll be able to walk in the kitchen. And here is the other cart. It's not the best method, but we'll get better wheels. It'll work for now. Alright. God bless you and those that surround you.